thunderstorm warning for Armstrong County, Eastern
Damn it, severe thunderstorm warning.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southwest of Wayside, or 24 miles southeast of Canyon, and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wayside, Paladell Canyon State Park. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for Central Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Texas, Armstrong, and Randall.
Please be its tornado warning next time. I'm pissed about these SBRs.
Here's the short-term forecast. Tornado watch number